Hello, my amazing friends. Imagine having big dreams, working hard, but failing again and again. Not because you're not smart, not because you're not capable, but because you keep forgetting. Sounds frustrating, right? Well, meet Ravi, a boy just like that. Ravi was full of dreams. He wanted to succeed. He wanted to make his life better. But there was just one problem. He always forgot. He forgot his assignments, forgot his deadlines, forgot important tasks. No matter how hard he tried, something always slipped from his mind. And because of that, he failed. Again and again. One day, after yet another failure, Ravi sat under a giant banyan tree, feeling hopeless. An old monk passing by noticed his sorrow and stopped. "Why do you look so lost, my child?" the monk asked. With a heavy heart, Ravi replied, "I try my best, but I always forget important things. Because of that, I keep failing. I don't know what to do." The monk smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story. There was once a farmer who kept forgetting where he tied his ox. Every morning, he wasted hours searching for it. One day, a wise man told him, 'Tie a small bell to the ox's neck. Every time it moves, you'll hear the bell. And remember, your mind, young Ravi, is like that farmer. You must tie a bell to your thoughts.'" "How do I do that?" Ravi asked eagerly. The monk leaned closer and said, "Every time you have something important to do, write it down. Say it out loud 3 times. Lock it into your mind, like the ringing of a bell." From that day forward, Ravi changed. He wrote down his tasks. He repeated them aloud. He set reminders. And slowly, things started to change. He stopped forgetting. He started succeeding. For the first time, his hard work was paying off. Ravi was no longer the boy who forgot. He was the boy who conquered his mind. So, what's your bell? What small habit can you start today to change your life forever? Tell us in the comments below. And if this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful, life-changing lessons. Remember, success is not just about hard work. It's about working smart. Start your journey today. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's time to build those habits. See you in the next video, and remember, the best is yet to come. You've got this.